Coming to you today with a great company, Amprius Technologies, AMPX, New York Stock Exchange listed, IPO'd in September 2022, and it opened at just $9 a share. And we're going to come back to this because that's important. This came public via a SPAC, Kensington Capital, back in September of 2022, and it's Fremont, California based. So what's so impressive about Amprius Technologies? A leading designer, developer, manufacturer of high power, high energy lithium-ion batteries. They say producing the industry's highest quality cell count in their manufacturing packs. And what is the use of this? This is for drones, robotics, and yes, electric vehicles as well. And as indicators are showing, this will also have a use in aerospace, which is to come. So there's a lot going on here with Amprius Technology. They do their manufacturing in the US and in China. And they've recently signed some deals for contract manufacturing. They intend to really ramp up production in 2025. This is a great market for that. The total addressable market for Amprius Technologies is estimated to grow to $200 billion by the year 2032. So that's over the next 7 years. That is a massive market, and it means there's lots of opportunities for these high density, high energy, high power lithium-ion batteries that are really catching the attention of investors like us. Let's take a look at some of the fundamentals and make sure that what we're seeing is agreeing with what we're reading about Amprius in kind of a perspective type format. So with that, let's take a look. Market capitalization of Amprius Technologies is about $370 million. Small enough for us to get in now and be able to ride a gigantic wave up with this company. Share price, $3.30 a share. It's seen a range of about 60 cents to about $4.70 a share. It's had a pretty nice last month or two and then come off just a little bit from that. So the overall for the year, it's down 28% over the past year, and then it's down more since its IPO. Remember, this IPO'd at $9 a share, and at $3.30, you're getting in for less than the IPO just 2.5 years or so ago. It's always a good sign, especially when the outlook is looking very robust, and this is starting to get ratings upgrades and higher target prices for Amprius Technology. What does the cash and liquidity look like? Well, they're sitting at about $35 million in cash as of the September quarter end. So we can't rule out an additional cash raise that they might do. This happens with these companies and these high burn cash periods of R&D and expansion. However, that could also provide yet another opportunity to get in on Amprius should that happen. And we don't know. They're expected to be close to break even in the next year or two, and with sales expected to skyrocket, nothing is assured. So revenue, where does revenue look like? Revenue is expected to come in at 2024 for the year at $20 to $21 million. Okay, that's small. However, it's growing. In the Q3 quarter, in the September quarter just announced, revenue grew 180%. This tells us that the products are really catching, their customers are growing, and orders are tumbling in. And that is why they've got production in the US, China, and have engaged with contract manufacturing. These are all good signs. The 2025 estimates for revenue are to top $80 million. And that's up from $21 million in 2024. This is a great sign. This is why this company is getting upgrades and the outlook is improving greatly. So as we kind of look to conclude on Amprius Technologies, AMPX, I think this deserves a place in my portfolio. I'm interested in high growth, high technology companies that are delivering on past promises for us currently and into the future. Do your own due diligence. Take a look at it. If this is something you like, let me know below. Drop me a comment. It's going to find a place in my portfolio. These are the kind of companies I'm interested in. You should be interested in. And if you agree with the analysis, do your own due diligence. But Amprius Technologies is in the right space, the right time, the right price, and we're going to ride this wave up higher. We'll talk with you soon.